Today we will talk about a revolutionary technique or technology which is called the cochlear implant. Hi, I am Dr. Ashish Vashishth. I am heading the Manipal Hospital Dwarka, Department of ENT, New Delhi. And today our goal is to discuss the management of anybody with a severe to profound hearing loss which cannot be helped with the hearing aids of highest quality. Now there are many children, infants, newborns who are born deaf. Sometimes, although even if somebody is not born deaf due to certain kind of illness such as meningitis, dimagi bukhar or trauma, head injury, kaan ki haddi ki chot and some other kind of infections, these children can lose hearing almost overnight. Sometimes it also happens in adults that because of autoimmune disorders or viral disorders, adults lose hearing in either one ear or sometimes unfortunately in both ears one by one. Also, we have many adults or elderly people, बूढ़े बुजुर्ग जो 60-65 साल के बाद because of some genetic histories or occupational hazards, they also lose hearing considerably in both ears. Can you imagine? Life comes to a standstill in these kind of patients, whatever age you are, and more alarming is for the younger ones, the children, that life comes to a standstill in these population, these children, because if you cannot hear, you cannot communicate. आप सुन नहीं सकते, आप बात भी नहीं कर सकते. Absolutely no means of communication. Sometimes in some children or some adults, when you have certain hearing left, we can definitely help you with good high quality hearing aids, but there are times when even that is not possible. That is not a time to be having despair or hopelessness. This is the time to consult us for something called a cochlear implantation, which is not a hearing aid. Here we are actually operating you and surgically replacing your cochlea with an electronic electrode device which has the power to rehabilitate your hearing with some kind of therapy post the surgery. This surgical device or technology called cochlear implantation is for all ages. We do it for infants as young as 11 to 12 months of age. We do it for children, we do it for adults, we do it for elderly as old as 78 to 79 years of age, as long as they are physically fit to undergo surgery. This surgery and this technology has the means and the way to change your life, to regain communication, to regain social interactions whenever it is required. So koi bhi ho, anybody in the community and friend circle, any person of any age group who feels that they are not getting any help on the hearing front, वो सब कुछ try कर चुके हैं, सुन रहे हैं पर समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं कि कोई क्या बोल रहा है, वर्ड समझ नहीं आ रहे हैं, कान में सीटी बजने की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, and you've tried, you've gone to wit's end. Make no mistake, you certainly could be a candidate for cochlear implantation. Come to us, let us evaluate you. Not everybody can be implanted, unfortunately, but those who can be, it is certainly a life-changing event.